Playoffs time, and the winner of this match will go straight to the final, the first team to get into the Pakistan Junior League's final. So good luck to both of them. We've got our match referee, Mr. Mohammad Javed Malik. We've got Ubaid Shahid from the Royals. We've got Shamil Hussain from the Sharks. And who's got the coin? Sharks have the coin.
Head is the call.
Heads is the call. And it is tails. You'll bowl first. And you have a big smile on your face because you were waiting to win the toss. Okay, when you look at these games, which are playoffs, usually you talk about the previous games. You just go out of the window. It's all about how you perform on that particular day. So tell us, what is the game plan? Since you've before even I asked, you said I want to bowl first.
Look, the game plan is really simple. We're just gonna play our best game. We're gonna put in our best efforts. Obviously, the goal or the objective is to win, but we're not gonna put it over our heads. We're not gonna make it just the main goal. Otherwise, we don't know what's gonna happen. We're just gonna look to play professional, good cricket, and yeah, we're gonna see whose way it goes.
You must have had some study, 3 matches being played here, all won by sides chasing, so you haven't done anything different. But then what kind of score you think is going to be easy to work with?
Yeah, that's obviously a tricky one. Our bowling attack is good, but obviously we're not going to leave it up to them. We're going to look to score over 150 because obviously it is a pressure match, so the pressure while chasing is going to be big. So we're just gonna look to constrict them to 150. Maybe we can easily chase it, I believe.
What about changes in the team?
No changes in the team.
No changes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good luck.
Thank you.
उबैद, ऑब्वियसली मैंने यही सवाल इनसे भी किया था कि जितनी परफॉर्मेंस ओवरऑल टूर्नामेंट में हुई है उसको आप पीछे छोड़ के अब आज की परफॉर्मेंस पे जो है वो कंसंट्रेट करेंगे. तो ये बताएं कि क्या गेम प्लान है. अब आपकी बैटिंग आ गई है.
जी बिल्कुल, जैसे आपने कहा कि जो पास्ट में हो गया हम उसको भूल के अब नेक्स्ट हम देख रहे हैं. ऑब्वियसली हम दोनों साथ में पहले गेम खेल चुके हैं, लेकिन अब वो पास्ट का हिस्सा है. हम फ्यूचर को देख रहे हैं कि अब अच्छा गेम प्ले करना और जीतना है. यही कि टॉस डजंट मैटर, पहले बैटिंग है बॉलिंग है, आपको अच्छी क्रिकेट खेलनी तभी आप मैच जीतेंगे.
किस किस्म का स्कोर आपको लगता है कि यहाँ पे करामत होगा इनकी बॉलिंग के अगेंस्ट?
जी, जिस तरह के हमने लास्ट मैचेस देखे हैं, हमें लगता है कि 160 170 वुड बी अ गुड टोटल.
क्या चेंजेस लाए टीम?
हमारी टीम में तीन चेंजेस हैं. अली रज़ाक, अहमद हुसैन और गैब्रियल आउट हैं. ननगाल, खरोटे, शवेज़ इरफान और मैं इन.
Very good. Okay. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
So, the news from here, Sharks have won the toss and they're bowling first.